Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because today, I'm about to introduce you to the coolest, most mind-blowing tiny home you've ever seen. Forget everything you think you know about tiny living because this 20-foot Scandinavian-style beauty is here to turn your brain into a marshmallow and squish all those preconceptions. The Kemi. Imagine a tiny house that's got more style and functionality packed into it than a superhero's utility belt. It's like a transformer, but for your lifestyle. You know, I remember the first time I stepped into a tiny home and thought, where's the kitchen? Turns out it was cleverly hidden behind what looked like a wall. How do they do it? Is there a magic portal? I don't know, but somehow these houses manage to fit everything you need and still make you feel like you're in a palace. Before we dive into the design, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button like this video, and let's get ready to talk about why you need this tiny home in your life. Go ahead, I'll wait. Great. Let's get into the good stuff. All right, folks, hold on to your hats because the Kemi is not just a pretty face. Oh, no. This little house is packed with features that'll make you want to pack your bags and move in right now. First off, it's a sleek 20-foot, 6.1 meters beauty. You've got black standing LP smart siding with a gabled roof, super Scandinavian, super chic, and ready to make your friends say, is that a tiny home or a piece of modern art? It's both. But wait, step inside. You'll be welcomed by warm southern yellow pine. Oh yeah, this isn't just lumber, folks. It's locally milled in North Georgia. And trust me, it makes the Kemi feel like the coziest little haven you've ever stepped foot in. I think the thing I like the most about the Kemi is the massive picture windows. I mean, who needs a TV when you have views like this? The natural light floods the space, making it feel bigger than it is. It's like they're saying, sure, it's tiny, but it's got a view that makes you forget you're not in a penthouse. Let's talk practical stuff. The main floor's surprisingly spacious. You've got a queen-size bed, LED wall sconces for that romantic Netflix and chill vibe, and a kitchen that actually has enough counter space to whip up a meal without ordering pizza. You've got sleek black granite countertops, plenty of cabinets, and a spot for a laundry unit if you're feeling fancy. Because let's face it, who wants to go to a laundromat? The bathroom? Get out of town! It's 48 inches deep, 122 centimeters, way bigger than you'd expect. Standard flush toilet, spacious shower with black walls, and a compact sink. Oh, and a mini split system and ceiling fan to keep you cool as a cucumber, even on the hottest days. You can live like royalty in a tiny house. And for the price, $50,000 USD or 48,500 euros, you can live the tiny house dream. Check out the official Kemi product page for more info. Link in the description, of course. So folks, tiny homes are changing everything. Don't just dream it, live it. Click that link and let's start the adventure of your new home on wheels. It's more than just a house, it's a lifestyle.